Hi, today let's make tasty Kadle Gujje Sukka, or you can call it as black chana and raw jackfruit curry, for which you need to take cleaned and washed raw jackfruit and boil it with some turmeric powder and salt. Now let's make a spice mix, for which all these spices needs to be tossed or sauteed on a very low flame. Here I've added in methi seeds. Now I've added in cumin seeds. Slowly, one by one, the spices needs to be added. Now I'm adding in coriander seeds. Roast it on a low flame. Now I've added in peppercorns. Once the peppercorns is roasted, now I'm adding in some badge red chilies. Once the badge red chilies are beautifully roasted, now I'm adding in some curry leaves. Give it a good toss, and now switch off the gas. Once the gas is off, now I added in mustard seeds. In the heat of the pan itself, the mustard seeds will get roasted. Now once the masala is cooled down, transfer it to a blender. Now I'm adding in some tamarind and blend it into a coarse powder like this and keep it aside. Now let's make the curry. In a kadai, I've added in oil. Then add in mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds splatters, add in garlic, curry leaves, onions, and saute the onion till it is slightly pink. When the onions is slightly pink, now add in some grated coconuts and toss the grated coconut really very well till it turns slightly brown and fragrant. At this stage, what I'll be doing is adding the spice powder which we made previously. Coat the coconut and all the masalas really very well. Now I'll be adding in black chana which I boiled, and then along with the raw jackfruit which we had previously boiled, and give it a good mix. See to that each and every chana and raw jackfruit is beautifully coated with all the masala. Check for the salt, and then that's it. Your super tasty, super simple South Indian to Tulunadu style Kadle Gujje Sukka is ready. You can have it with rice, dal, or rasam rice, or ganji as we call. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.